To record a screencast using Loom, you can download the Loom app, or you can also add the Chrome extension. The app has a few more options, a few more tools that you can use for drawing or annotations. So that's what I'm going to use. So to open that up, I click on the icon, and then you'll notice you have a few options here. You can record your screen plus your camera or your webcam, the screen only, or your camera only. If you had more than one camera, you can choose what camera you're using, and same with the microphone. If you have more than one microphone, you could choose that. And you'll notice as I'm talking, the green is moving up on the microphone, showing that it is picking up my voice. If you're ready to start recording, go ahead and click Start Recording. And that will disappear, and then you'll see the countdown timer count down from 3. Then you'll hear a beep, and you are recording. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that I have my avatar or my picture. You're able to click this. You're able to drag it around to different parts of the screen. If you wanted to switch to your webcam, if you click on the small circle, that will be the same size. There we go. So that's the same size. You can make it larger if you'd like to. So you can make it a larger circle, or you could go full screen if you want to. To exit full screen, again, click on the smaller circle, and it's back to the small circle again. And again, if you don't want it to be a distraction, you can always change it back to your avatar. You have a few other options with Loom. So you'll notice on the left-hand side over here, the red square. If I click on that, it'll stop my recording. I also can pause my recording, and I can delete it. The pen here, if I click on that, you'll have a few options for annotation. So you can choose the color you want and also the size. So you can make it smaller or larger, click on the color, and then you're able to draw on your screen. When you are finished recording your Loom screencast, you can click on Stop, and it will, similar to other screencasting software, it will open up in a web browser, and then you have the option to go ahead and you can see my screencast is actually playing in the background. If I wanted to watch it with audio, I can click on play, and then you can watch it at different speeds too, which is nice. If you wanted to just kind of do check it to make sure that everything looks good, but you don't want to watch the whole thing, you can speed it up, and that way you don't have to sit through the whole video. You'll also notice you have a few options for your video. Now that we're on Loom's website, you can click on My Videos, and it shows you all the videos that you've created. You can copy a link to this video, and then you do have options to trim the video if you want to maybe trim off part of the video that didn't turn out. You can trim that, and you have a couple other things you can do with thumbnails and other settings.